Welcome, little artists. Get your pencil, your eraser, and your favorite colors ready. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our fun drawing adventure. Follow along slowly. And remember, every drawing is special because it is made by you. Today, we are going to draw a very cute dinosaur together. Our dinosaur drawing story begins with a clean, empty panel. It looks quiet now, but this blank space is where our cute little dinosaur will slowly come to life, one friendly line at a time. Start by drawing a big, soft curve for the dinosaur's head and back. Let the line flow gently downward like a rounded hill. This first shape gives our tiny dinosaur its sweet, cuddly body. Now, continue the outline around the lower body and tail. Add a smooth curve that reaches back, making the tail point gently to the side. Our dinosaur is starting to get its full shape. Let's add the little legs at the bottom. Draw short, rounded feet under the body, keeping them simple and soft. Now our baby dinosaur can stand proudly inside the panel. Clean up the full body outline. Make the head round, the back smooth, the tail curved, and the little feet steady. This gives our dinosaur a strong and gentle silhouette. Now check the body again and make the shape feel balanced. The dinosaur should look small, friendly, and easy to draw, with plenty of white space around it. It is time to add the tiny arms. Draw one small arm on the side of the body, curved like it is resting gently on the dinosaur's belly. Add the round belly patch in the second little arm. The belly should be soft and oval-shaped, making our dinosaur look even cuter and more huggable. Now draw the first small spikes on top of the head and along the back. Make them rounded triangles, like soft little bumps instead of sharp points. Continue adding spikes down the back and toward the tail. Keep each spike the same cute style, so the dinosaur looks playful, not scary. Add the eyes as two small black dots. Place them on the face with a little space between them. Now our dinosaur can look out at the world. Draw a tiny, curved smile between the eyes. This little smile makes the dinosaur look happy, gentle, and ready to be a new drawing friend. Review the whole dinosaur from head to tail. Make sure the eyes, smile, belly, arms, legs, tail, and back spikes all look clear and easy to see. Now refine the black outline. Follow every curve slowly. The round head, the little arms, the soft belly, the tiny feet, and the long tail. This is the finished black and white drawing. Before coloring, check that every part is complete and that the dinosaur still looks centered and cheerful. Now bring the dinosaur to life with color. Fill the body green, make the belly cream. Color the back spikes dark green, and keep the sweet smile bright and friendly.
You did an incredible job following the story step by step. If you want more magical drawing adventures, cute characters, coloring fun, and surprise animations, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Keep drawing, keep smiling, keep imagining. And I'll see you in our next magical art adventure. Bye-bye, little artists!